See the store layout. Through Wi-Fi sensors located throughout the store departments, we can understand the movement of individuals as well as our sales associates. Our sales associates are in white with Wi-Fi tablets. Our shoppers right now are anonymous. We don't know who they are. They haven't opted in, so they're just gray silhouettes. In the upper right, some of the things we can start to understand even with anonymous data. This is the store traffic by day, by time of day, and we can use this to identify traffic patterns and trends. VT Living can now use this information to optimize staffing levels, merchandise availability, and inventory levels, as well as the store layout and flow. And in the lower right, we can see this information in real time. So now we can see real-time customer traffic as well as sales, which gives us an indication of conversion. In addition, we can see revenue by minute, so we also have visibility into margin. In the traffic heat map, we see real-time movement of shoppers and store associates aggregating throughout the day. You'll notice traffic patterns beginning to emerge. The higher the traffic, the darker blue the area becomes in the map. We can see this relationship even more clearly when we transpose the traffic heat map onto the store layout. On the right, you'll see additional information. We can see dwell time. How long is our customer staying in the various departments? What is the revenue generated in the department? And the size of the bubble shows us the customer traffic progressing through the course of the day. Our concern right now is that orange bubble. Our home department is showing high dwell time, but very soft sales. So far, we've shown how Diego can leverage this new information to improve store operations and the shopping experience using only anonymous data. VT Living understands privacy concerns. With these new technologies, we can push notifications to the shopper to allow them to opt in. By combining the physical data with the digital data streams, we can gain increasing levels of insight to personalize the shopper experience. For opt-in shoppers, VT Living now has the ability to understand shoppers' in-store behavior and connect it with their shopping history and online activities for a complete 360 view. Using this information, VT Living can take action, sending real-time personalized messages to shoppers based on their location in the store to drive sales and satisfaction. VT Living is utilizing IBM's advanced analytics to segment customers, utilizing sales transaction history, online interactions, demographics, responses to marketing, and other attributes to create meaningful segments. The red bubble highlights the Families on the Go segment. VT Living would like to migrate this to a more valuable segment, such as the Only the Best in the upper right. Let's find out more about the Families on the Go segment. We can see all of their attributes. We know they usually shop in the children and entertainment departments and primarily come in after they drop their kids off at school in the morning. Notice the red and yellow overlays in the store map. We can see that according to propensity models, they are 38% likely to shop in the home department and only 25% likely to shop the women's fashion department. Based on this insight, VT Living can identify the next best action to incent this segment of shoppers. Using business rules, we can connect with these shoppers when they're in the store in real time with offers built using IBM's Campaign and Interact solution. These offers include a limited time offer based on their location within the store and a possible return visit offer to shop a new department. Now we'll see what Uber personalization looks like, understanding and connecting with the individual. Let's meet Lily, who's just entered the store. Lily is a female millennial. We see her loyalty history, personal information, and relevant attributes. Because Lily is an avid social media user, VT Living can learn even more about her from cognitive computing. IBM's System U asset, based on psycholinguistics, allows VT Living to better understand her intrinsic personality traits and motivations so they can better communicate and engage with Lily. It allows us to see some of her values, what's important to her, and also, for example, when does she like to tweet? When is she likely to be online? By combining Lily's sales history, recent online activity, and social profile, and by harnessing the power of advanced analytics, we can infer even more about her, such as her preferences, behavioral drivers, and propensity to respond. VT Living can also detect real-time changes in her patterns and course correct to react so they continue to be relevant to Lily. Our insight will be valuable for longer-term and real-time actions. Here we can see the attributes showing that Lily's patterns are showing changes, not only in her default store location and the typical departments she shops, but also a change in her home address and her social dialogue. Using advanced analytics, we infer Lily has a lifestyle change. She is moving. VT Living can now automatically detect these lifestyle changes and can adjust her profile preferences and change how they engage with her and when they offer her promotions. VT Living now has a true 360-degree profile of Lily. When she enters the store, all her touchpoints are connected. VT Living knows what items she has in her online cart, pinned, recent purchases, favorites, and tweeted about. Now VT Living can deliver the most relevant communications to Lily right now to complete a sale and potentially upsell Lily. When Lily enters the store, VT Living can now personalize her shopping experience. An associate is automatically notified of her location in the store. We understand her sales and social media history, and VT Living can send Lily a customized message based on other insight and predicted behavior.